Ibi wùlẹ̀ gbúgbà. Wọ́n lè méjì kú o. Tó àwọ̀ èpì aró o. Wọ́n máa wẹ́ pi aró. Tó àpẹ́ kókó lè mẹ́ wùlẹ̀ gbúgbà. Àtúnkò wẹ́ kí náà tẹ̀lé àwọn ẹ̀ma kẹ́lẹ́ lè mẹ́. Ọ̀sẹ̀ mẹ́. Ibi wùlẹ̀ gbúgbà o. Tó àpẹ́ lè mẹ́ bí kú. Uma pelelele, uma puputa o. Ai ya ni, una gugwa. Olo bobo, au wa ki o. Community ati ugwa. Community au wa ki o. Ai ya ni, wa ere ku.
My love, my sweet Poporipo, my lovely son. Yes. Oh! Do me win a duarok bagolo lelima, I will let the duarok bagolo lelima. Efa. Monica were or boto old working, eh? Why are bota o if you don't know some of you don't know why you de ni ma gege gwa kamakutana ibile ledo no go meru da zebile ledo maga mi emi no je gbe kan gbe no kan emi no ya gina ile le oredo ma gege fi nu ma gun ajo kere aru lela mi ma mi oto e buane singe omo me ni ge Monica ne fi an bujo ma o okay kakabo gwa lo teme na ona hiya bo kakabo ma je gun kan zebe ile ledo wa go pe ni kete me na we o keke no ko ga de gbe eji uswene mi na hin uswene mi ni magun akan ile ledo osunu na okuo na ne mi sunu dana be no be ni gi vie jo se ina we ga mi oto e ne ba we ido kolo mi no ya mu ari ogwa ina we kolo mi na gwalo no mu ari ogwa 3 bedroom flat o imeje no mu no mu ade ekeno wi mena mi ba e okoni ga mi e plan ni wa plan because if vie gbeje me ni no dey ade but to salo pari we walare ware gaji ko mo ma zen mostly some of us my son or a presenters market one gwaje keme gwagi makazi egbe na mata no reve ni kere ne no kare ne market do adi aye ruda unu na yari yama e ga doloji dokwo pa no rogwodo o ne rogwodo no honi wa igaro ologo ekere ami ebo kere ikweso gwaragbon na e rogwodo we na mu ezo ma no rogwodo ge ogie hia veni mejena i rogwodo beti mo se ime gbakian excuse me ikamejo gwodo ne for years so do na una mu ezo do ba megun yibe ni aya ta he yibe ni mi aya tori mehe. That is the truth of the matter. But okay, when we worry, my hair was on a cook, Ipiapio, Eriona, Fogwana, Eriona Oji, Eriona, one, Guama, mute teme. Or Guama, away, Obama, muse also tane, or where tell any, every moo lonya. Okay, can money be a galele. Or send an eye, you know, Camena, Zere Leledo. Although when a bodam, a video ni, a manipu provoke. But now, I want to know Monica Viola Latianeba. The man himself, or call le, where are you or your la one even a guana? Okay, Ununayari Yama Bagari Agina. Or say you be gadologia. Heo, a gadology. Wagimaga nyesi. Wagimahia nyesi. Maje guacame o honey. Hereni, honey guacabo, hereno. Okwoni kakabok momo zebi jomo no seti degbeji since 20 years. Because when okwoni wa mo se seni, wa ni bumi one ne hebi na iwe juye data, okwoni mo segbe. Useni, use wa ye okwoni egbe. Ma so waro ni gware mu ebona. Iya se Nigeria ye ba kwara. Ama igwe, ben okwoni wa mi serere ni se. Ben ogwa mi sorere ni se. Ojeje mo se. Igwa tsa eti bata ina we a case na sakwe igwe no ime ya moku oni igwe no mo adi ogwa because if ye gbejo na no dey ade ina be e di matter so ta so we ba ko e kolo mi we e no ba ni ade jo ma jo ba ke ya mi o na gwale ro e do wa no mu ade o wa e plan mi gwa ani kun e ti bata e ke no bi me na mi ba e o ko ni ga mi no mu ade hospital o be gbi ma ni bi le do e go gbe o gbi ma 100,000 ma ya chuto ko ni ma iri e lawa ma iku o ma iri e lawa oni be ari iji o ki le do mi ni le do wu na kina iri ko ni iri lawa beta pomo saloboa be ni me yon se na we adafon wi wa gwa loku na kege ni adenye mami o awo ko na ga igwalijo boso bosi odafon a abo si odafon ni egbe no kado lobi ye kiyan ne ruda mo segbe ni ake wujubo ni ne da wo se no ni kin we da wo se nu kine so kwa ga gun wa ya ga defend bete gen wa ya defend do ko ni ri la wa ma we no pe ani imagine ya suno we dere awo ere ya boyin nereba but according to the man wo gwe monica gun aka ewe okwo ni yen gwalo ani ya gwan ne senior ari eyin eke no je ni re ne aga wa gbe social media ma gbe o oga social media no ga social media oga no ma ya fe no social media ne ogi ba wo ne ogi ebo wo ne be to ogi wo okeke da wa mu ogodi ni ma yes okeke da wa mu ogodi ni ma ze ruda eni ya no sunu na de ima aga ego ko ni exist aga eni okwa gujo bi oko gboba de no ga ibu na kedo mi no nya okwo na be no okwo na mo segbe o she too fine iwa delete la wa mo egun me o wa mo ye WhatsApp group ibi lele do mi na rere mi o ibi lele do wa mo ye WhatsApp group ni ja we video na ma ye delete kwa ni baba na ye je mi okay oh no
Hello, this is the woman. Her name is
wa ba ga we no mo say
Iworo.
si fine woman egbegbe no ja su se e we so ni re we bo man ya je we na ka ku aka gay
She said she have 3 children. I have twins. 3 children for him. 2 boys and a girl. And those children are where now? They are in America with him. Who took them there? He took them there. Okay. This is where the woman is living. She's living in my compound. Because now I want to send her out. I want to send her out of this compound. I don't know what to do. Her situation is so bad. She is crying. She's crying. Look at the room she's sleeping. Look at the room that she's sleeping here. Somebody gave her this space in my compound. And her situation is very bad. There's no way I can leave her here because look at what her things. This is what she said to make money. Her situation is so bad, so bad. She's also sick. She cannot walk fine. She's so sick. She cannot walk fine at all. So I can't believe this. Please, just try and call this man. Send this video to this man. Madam, do you have anything to say? Just send a message to the father of your children. Friday, I love you. You are the father of my children. I still love you. No matter the situation, you kept me in this situation. I love you. Come and take me out of this place. Please, I beg you. I'm suffering at the moment. Help me, please. This is unbelievable. My heart is hot. I'm heartbroken. Please. She lives here and I can't leave her in this compound. I don't know what to do. Because with this situation, I don't know how she can survive here. I don't want anything to happen to her and tomorrow I'll be in the police station for what I don't know about. Her situation is so bad. Her situation is so bad. If I say bad, it is bad. If really Kakutu Bensi is the ex-husband to this woman, even an enemy, you cannot, Kakutu Bensi cannot even leave an enemy on the streets like this. Talk less of a woman. Please, for goodness sake, for your name, please, just try and see what you can do about this woman. Come to her aid. Her situation is so bad. Because other people will come. She will mention Kakudu Bensi. Fred, Kakudu Bensi have a name. I'm begging you. I didn't do anything for you. Please help me. Help me. I'm dying. I am dying. I'm getting old. Help me out, please. I beg you. Kakudu Bensi is a man that have a name in Benin. So for this woman to open her mouth to say that she is a wife, she was a wife to Kakudu Bensi, had children for Kakudu Bensi, and she's in this situation. Oh, please, he should do something. I flew in quickly when they say somebody like this is in this compound. I have to quickly come home. I just arrived day before yesterday. I have to quickly come here to see this woman. And when I'm here now, her situation, I'm short of words. I'm short of words to hear that she was once a wife to Kakudu Bensi, had children for Kakudu Bensi, the first wife for Kakudu Bensi. Please send this to Kakudu Bensi, please.
Okay. So what I make be eminana. What I make be where agwa the mani bi do ni mage igbe ma we fi obi. What I a cockpan pick be wa beg. Thank you, my sister Joy. Good evening. What I make be mana wa beg oku. O ko ga ipo so no pa. Yen was a labog every money labog. But what about? I won't allow no to help ye. Ye je love when I love odo. Could you believe in work now? Up to date is 20 years. Or my love ye cook beer. Okay, but what's no share? Oh, who no way to was sweat busena for go 20 years. JJ yana. Ore na do rock pan o se gbuse na o survive. Hello. Iyan je bota. Je wa gwan ye ni matana. Okay je.
Ita even na o ti je me mommy no te. E mi o Facebook. Igwe sa mi fe kara kwa ba o
E vok pa ni me vie.
Ina we e ke no kuna na wa no je ni o mana. E o we o ta. No me ge una hi. O ya ni ga fi ko to. Le va se va e famille j'ai e famille rien. Mama ça m'a dit mi o pa mo iberi e la wa mo. Mi o pa fu
Igba fo no ni a sister.
If you be ro o ti je me mo mi do we to we ti be get what that for the line then we real life video na.
Imagine me oje ni awogwe Monica gun anesin. As for me, according to many men, I said, I went to my yard of anesin. Iyoje. So when matter de ban udege where when ya won agoku oni ge opiani ma that is opiani gwi yen ma miu amaeke no je yen ma miu yen ma eke no je. So I even self okay shekebo mama the family of the woman iya ni bun iya call be ba ni ban iya call bo go shekebo mama ban the highest place where owo kiyan no ko ni awo mo eno. So what we gbeja memo me lalaja we presenters no wa job ilani na so erio wa ki maka abo agwa lo tete mi ne o se na like Monica wo deso o wo lo lati o na mi o toto ne eredu atalo we ka gwa lo toto ne nyama wa akodeme noku wa akodeme nopia wa ma emi no sunu o gbe ba o pe na ri jodari o bo kan la wa ni ademi wa kan ri u. Like it be an old one, and what our bonum we can and we go. Like it be so no bewe. Waga condemnopia or Rawa condemnopum. It was on a no donyon is not passe, no kissy go modane. Only no it all. eni begwe enokpia ema gwa mujam gwa kagbe okotone nugwa zame ho nugwa zame ene mi ya sunu agwa conclude upa igbakala igwokoro no be like that wage gimanya gbon piripiri aga nyewe no keke mata no gwe kokwo no le lokpia su sebe dagbon at the end of the day we do amano pia ni no pia ni ya moko we adiogwa oh lo wawe mi seme po wa onu gwani aga nete go ga bere mani keke be go ga bere me ana ri okwe ne ari yotegodo ikusin ari yotegodo mi ateri yan la tegodo ni e okutuku na jin aja ve o ha be gin ave try mi o gwa kari yan lo wi e so kwe ro pa hiro edene na ya file ya kwaru de church ona meta kedere ade agwebi aguta o pe aniyan no gi bi eyore wo gwe uhe ori awelele if ya gwa igwe de mi je se ni gbo pe ani ese ni bo ke ja se agwa e no wotedo dewe madori ebwebo agbo yaro do ege gbe mi beri o exist den e mani bere Nigeria mi abeja ikwo ni kebwe bojo kwa obe ya muhe ni ani ro gwa gala lo amasun de wotedo ni amasunu idene ni kuyaku passage I agree. Amasunu there. You understand? So I say now we're going to lile ledo. I do wa agwijo wa bege mata wa bege koko wa ati ororo. Wa ati ororo. Bene brother na yata be na ge pisma. Owoke okbia. Onuma ede ufrege. Okbia ni rekenuje. Uma ede tin ari evi ne no fino jame no do ya lala wo oga yalla lo we na igo ya no ukun ene akwa ro gbe blapo e blapo e no orio me go we no gi buhe no la lo wo gbe me do ri e vi je ke ya la lo wo e ori vi ja me na fi ja me no ya la lo wo e so waga why do aso e that black boy chop my money he chop my money before I give out the money I don't know how to go no e to ga ri we sis we e kia no salopo aji emi esalopo aje mi ya gbe no ge alo wa gumeta mugwa ona via ona ni mani ma ya bege ohi muhu ni ma ona herere jugwe ni ma ya reason ma ya nyemi je ona ri unu ni mani ma ya agun ona ri iwe ni ma ya anyo ona via ni ma ya eme e atana ona via body man ni ma ya anwina ona ri eko ni ma ya ri eba ni ma ni ku ma ebe ya bie ona ri ekia ona ri we ona ri ni ku okpena ju vuni sa ona ju vun orije ya ne wa gwe ya watalo okon wa we mi ni tama responsible buhun gwa gi ni kin pete mata ni ro ya tamu gwa o saloba no ju vuni sa no ju vun o ma emi no we ba nana mi egwe wana gije oni sa hiwe nu wa hu ipe ahima ni eyan wi ari ve ku po na no gi gbasawo eri ko gi gbasawo ne pe eyan wo gi gbasawo na o ni ya ki oni siyan wa ni ya gbasawo be ebu epo na mi na fi o majip na mi na fi eme na mi na fi S5 na mi na fi nene mi pasenda na mi na de ko wa mori e den wa agwa ya se gbesero la re 20 euro na elelu wa gbere ba if guys not taking we are wa agbu self I wa nya pono ru egbaje aje tape sellotape rapi we if you di can ru egele ba so why are you people running ugwaru lerie aga gugwa so ije boy we ni agagi la lian he o oni samere ne ni awe una den why wa mo bia no woni sa wa mo fi ogwa asodo oga say 50 years oni sa tuwe kwa e wi agbuzo gbe ni tan uwe wu won me ugwa hin agwa hun mi yan u da wa ga mu we ni aka lalo agwe bi aguta ide me o oni ogi omi me no o be bere ni an e tramadol ya give ya vandalize wa a give ya vandalize wa wo ri ru wa de nu he na Neke 10 minutes, 15 minutes, na ya bielu wa mana nege na fungwa ko. Why we be pure water? Pure water agbelu wa nwa we nu kegbo. Waga so, na so equate release. Take one tramadol, one orange, give him another one. Can you imagine the rubbish? Can you imagine the rubbish? Oh, me kwebana here when Bini people. Na Bini people. No we do ana to agbuwa. Kene obi do azedo ya moni bi edoria. Umweni manoro oswagwa agbuwa. Jesus Christ. Ahene abasalawe krikara. Ahene abasalawe krikara. Waga imi no tema do vie mata no rore waga ibie wa amina yo wa azi oda benu wa awe en wa ase ekoto. Oga bugbegi tian o. Oga bugbegi tian o no wa ogugwa godo. So what I'm trying to say when you divert when you don't when you gwa be na, I want to talk to you people today rubbish. A classic one no be na. So okwona nia as for me okwona o me habie o me ani ikpe eva kwokpa obiokpa ona do bivie eva bai ne erimana gele ige egbete erimana as for me o ige egbete o ma gele mi o ijaji because okwona bia money be nwane ne be money be anogwe that where is my mother egene zebe ni kata si we okuga okpeagari ekpea oga o metagodo ikugu gariba bo se ni eneseti we gbe mi ko begeni ebo ni avenu agaji avenu ogo na damo egeye una kioki ano makeke yeye emi ogwa mgwene emi nu ni we manaju nu ta gus oma okwo ni gujo ogwa la oma la ye la ruda ebo naji ave me awi me se ni bungbene bi nwade petege na nia we ri okose gba agbe na church wa me lucky shawe ogo me gba iyan gberi ne ga mi yan ni gbegbe so kwa yin ma gbegbe so salobua obi me gba ri ene no ko ti o wa one sister ujeju po a obi yejejo iya je mi o iwe atalu popo e agbo ke mana ya sodo ka ya finish ngunu po we ne egwe gbere pe mi o iwe iga mi o ebi ni aja wa o mi e te tu kan omo do o ka ya wini mu na we ne. Hello? Eh? Sister.
Americano Jenny. Osado boy mi no sono irani. Ani de okoro yo wari ni gbani.
Sister beni me hogo ya sunu ya we di ma okwo na no bi o me ya na okwo di ona dori okwo we obi esan be do bai.
Okay, ubege.
Eri ya we ne mi ja sun e.
Igo aro ayubosiona kino me go kelele go ayubosiona.
Oh, Master Stam. Yes. Marokpa beni mejebe makeni me no sunu ni me wa gwa kabe na we Erima eriwa gbejoba ni message to about Big Daddy. Erima when you ari obo kan la kwa ne ku emuesu. Even me wa mi bo ni kun. No ko di obo kan la kwa. Go me la ya gbe ba gbon. Osalopo amu me trust because when me ya on sin ya we di man gie ma yari obo kan ne sin. So because a plan in me. Because a plan yes.
That is the difference is clear where we not blame Camus.
Even mete wa plan where Magaige Emma yes. Even the mete wa plan my sister mete wa tagwe. Ina itane ina imi ototo ene gbe no ime ya gwalo no dori ekegbe. Even ni wa if ye gbe iwa bete abani a omena wa bisu aba because e ige egbe ash walking de na ma emi wa gbodena. Ko no ga ze o. Abi we mi ma no eri emi no ji da ide mi ni ria. Area o. So no je. Wa se ni ma gwa ke won. So when it's a deban Ario aware ara mobo e logo aga ke paso boa e ma meje umana sabo gwawe no need no yari kweva wa egu ke aseti sabo gwawe sis gwawe church gwagi joge e imi ogwa he exist so mon gwawe yari okojo gwa ya vin ogwa eru kwa ka be adele gbegbe because it won't make like oni no denia iya je tramadol vandalize omomoso beba anokpe no vandalize na ni agwa be moko wogwa e o dafe na vandalize okay I beg I just dey sorry for this our man I dey sorry for now wagari okwo wa ida bi ogwa church gwajo church erugwajo church jugwajo e dokpe wo ade wa we do ye mitan do kene unye awa vandalize oda obuka we bedi aja efebo ama ya efebo once we hiri ejo gwa neti so ati obuka we ne ona awe kanya we odu we ne mi no pe aje mitan ebo everything ada ati and wetin you cook today anyway wetin dey worry you why you dey ask me you know fit Turkish aba mi pe anoji win ade la gogo mo gba oge si tali bai o vandalize ki o pe aba ne wekere yin gugu gwe na gisan o ma ya ve bona so what is the need e no really kon in short when am we go to ku nowadays o ma ya vi ogwa agwa yere one e no kon o go do o ma say because o ma ya vi ogwa so there is no good to adwe. There is no good to adwe. So iji mana no ma no salobo deba. I mete wa nyae. Ina we mana mi oto ya mana yari ye anakwa ya debe no because me maje jaji igwe no ime yari ye no ri ade ogwa. Eti bata. Ekono na mi e bai. Obi ohani abi mi iji mani o be mi e bai. Eteni agba be mi ye so far ede ga gbok wojo igwo oru ogwa. Ogwa ime wata ani aje gele gwalo toy iman ya gwa ge gwa mami no riela we Juliet ari ebe nya na ime no ime ari ere die jogwa o ale ba ifiane kwoe vi pola jam we kobodu vi one no ro avec ukpo toto gwa beba la toto gwa ba we ni jo ijo ba na vi ukpo nu o pe ha no sei bo ba na pa vi ojo ya se digo gyoko ni edi ogwa se cause you sell bugbe thank God that for e can we yan ari obokin yan no cause omara papa ga blame mama just like that no anya gboberi oni I don't blame no I blame no no be ni meje me ma blame yan ifa ruda emi osunu de mi masunu o pe di seti wa abado doku no gwa hiye ke gbawo kan ade e no go fit abandon that woman eti abandon e mata no gwe koku no su se le lopia koku no su se le lopia koku no su se le lopia aga kan dori e ba e me gbe makan eno gba na gele sabo gwa e o bebe no ya brigade down e o ga too much gbe o ye nenu ko ri ari ogwa be omo gwa no bu o ja ri e wo e agbe o pe amana gune a enu omo no bie e ma tata na bi oge no o pe amana gune no like a enu omo no bie o di mani bu ma e you understand? Omana wune anu mo no bie agwagwa Ope iguno do age. I said na sanga na aro we are in avie more. Ni avie more we kan enu mo no bie. So oni mi we una na ego wo nu yoku eva. Wa iri okpaje. Ogida. Wa wo pa igba aro wa no su selelu. C'est tout. Et problème ire. Agbina. Ezo esunu yeye. Ezo esunu. So kwa una doge woku rogwa nu agba su seda gun me gbe pa. Ona ga tie bo. Rere bue nu ya rero nu ri mi wa ati ogwa. Ruda ihoku e ma be gbe. E ma be gbe yeye. Uri mi wela wa now agba pardon oku oni. Then oge no panoro we children in my heart ajosin. Wagmete mo pa ma wa. O me gbe no soko a okwe no viomo. O me gbe bo etoni. Ngwa okon no gwa mumu ni arukiva ye mi we. Egbere wa. Me wa mi ne berio. E ma na okiase ne no ko na vivie. Ogwa po agwa mi berio. Bo etoni gogbe. Iye kwe no viomo pa. E so sef iye kwe no ze demiomo. E so ya domi bi yan we school. O ye sunu to fie dene na. E ya domi bi yan we school. Agwa mi ma ikpi aberio. No me nunu egbe eri ho no gaje. I no want make this woman carry my children go. Ogwa redo berio. Habye me emie. Wage o sie ni biekani mana gujian. So ibe kpon salobo because that thing ga gujian a condition ni jian jena ege setting. Then boss here no kwona na sada for ya ne ma ya ga atasi why woman not the strong go for himself. The man don't live for 20 years see as his life can be no. Ikmiya bokba mwiru eto bibe. Ese o ikmiya bokba mwiru eto bibe o ese. Okbiya oku ke bokbiya na aro. Ijobo gedegbe plan gedegbe aro. So kwa adega ri miegwe ona dokin wo pa ologogbe. Beni meje na mo pa no. Iguru pare mo pa hai. Ige gasi are mo pa hai. Iga mi are mo pa, ige condominium are. Na te condominium mo he hai. Igo na ya pe step. Keke lifting ala. Italian wa be mo erogan condominium ti. Mo he hai. Ido pe igo gwa. Inigo mi uki agba. Ido pe ono na, ido pe no ibe do de o son pon na ni be vi ojo na. Inigo kike. Then when e wi kweso, emi gwa ma ikweso oro gwodo. Always my husband tin na my team. Emi save oge boy. Emi mi opa be save boy. Ogo da fo won go me no ya lo account opa. Then once e kwa ni ku efu. Ogwa empty obanu a. Obanu a. Then e ba so na be tie again where anything boss the tema na epe. Ete ya gogo gwe me big man home. Wa ga tema tadiba. Ete no gire ba kwe sister I want pay my pikin school fees orire. Brother, I want pay my sister. I don't know why you can get ya pardon eh. Ugbe be na na gi sunu e we the we get na only in the shop na. No ka wa uni, awajo gbe wa yasin. Uda ku oni almost wa megbe. Me aweta mo ku oni be dene na we madam. I don't know where you be Benin or you be I don't know where you come from. I beg, if your husband take you in again, forget about that your family. Excuse me, now the truth of the matter. When be say they don't feel happy when your husband abandon you. Leave them alone. Let them go. I pray, may your husband come. May he come take you back. If he not take you back, me, I go send somebody to come and pick you. I don't get money or I don't get shishi. But the plate where my daughter take chop, you with her go take her chop. Yes, I promise that. Because I don't to cry. If I anytime I watch her, as I watch her just now, see all my eye they red. It go remain for me tears come off from my eye. Waiting I like that woman put. He no still insult that man. He say I love you. Come and take me away from this place, God. Beni meje, e mina sunu, he set wa bonye, boma, immediately. He set ya no fit. Because a person in menam yokoni, or I give me bonye bokoni, no matter anything. No matter anything, no did soon. He set it a walk when you go madam. Or gono gaze, nite so your pama woman mark ba. E dioma e de degano. Obielemo, yes or a soldier, if yes or a police, if yes or doctor, the woman, if ye kwa make. Okoni nado, ianado kabe boni. Iagi ka, yana kokoni bay. Ye kokoni bay, yana mukoni, yana moari awoka. Mwegi ya idene baboka, avinya de ado vinya jo gwedio. Eh baba, iagi kafone. Hello? Hello? Eh, I bet low your own when you take the Lucas. Low your own, low your own. Hello? Iyan je abota. Wesi. That's all. Yes. Anything oh where mama amigo. Jesus Christ. Okpa. Yes. I just started. What's it? What's it? So when you matadeba, so okay, gele no kowe ame no. Apart from that, it be so gwabero like ogeri mana, eri mana no weno. Averi mana bege no pe ni wa a big man we do. Iye mo boko no wokin yan winner. Iya kweni ajero. Bege no pe ni e ogeri mana gwa kana. Cause eri mana mana wa eno na. A big man no So beni mejo wan gi me tie bone. Ye keni na tie bone pe ani ba ni me na tie neri me. Oh, God forbid. okpa no se no obia me no gba no ya atie bo na we live video I know the craze so I go me try why go me ze me bon wani o God forbid why go me try wire so emi ni mari mi na we baba la agogo dari ene noku du mari e wala agogo gwa ki ma yari mani bi lele do mari imo gwa ni awari eji igwa ku o we se look mo viojo yes kakabo egbe mi abeke o ma ba ni o gan me pe pe lokan ibe mi no be le konare o be wa oku na ira wujo bone egbe ijobo ni mewu ni o ma be o kan ri san me we gani cause ekeno bi me na mi ba e ko ni ami ba e yes o gwa mi e no ya re gbe ekeno je ni because when I want say na ni ama o get to ko ni de ba amuka ni continue with the story ni ga taban so ana ga yani kena igi na ti otinya we yan mu je ari amuka o yan mu je ari amuka o yan da doga na rule eti on egeye etinya na egeye na rule la moto je hello je
hello kama mabota
iyan je obota
la moto ye fika de contribute
mo ye speaker ni
una good evening my people
maya
before I contribute for this matter I want to use this opportunity to give up thanks to our lovely sister Monica.
Yes,
God will bless you my dear, because if you do your show, you must see one or two cents speak from there. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
The truth has to be said. I know the talker, some people say they talk because they get money. Move your head. Truth. You understand me? So, anybody that watch the program about the Monica way, it might be wasting time, relaxing, it might email to it or buy. So according to the information the Monica give you, the pastor of my YouTube, you know, we will like Facebook, or we that the mother Kakutu Bexi, Erima, what of where that the Wessi, or where or you take care of the woman,
yes,
all pass to God.
Yes.
That's all my is that only we are quality
The woman here.
I forgot quality, understand? Like continue back or banner. It means what you just now say something, they call something for that, and it's truth. Because say we Africa, as concerned, say black wizards they exist for Africa. Not be today they exist. So anything we they do, they always they go between something we would they do. It just say the grace of God. May everybody just if they pass a little temptation, make you just pass the temptation with the grace of God, you understand me?
Yes.
So if you where every man do all Africa see where I can where every solar boy. So something like this really so what it did on your
yes.
Another DNA was a lot of hours. I know when the video now, it can go to the answer or I don't know where
Say. Let us work with for very honey.
Let us maybe I go yaga baby now. God wait just make this woman go stay for that and see where do that video house. You know say a day like this will come. When the suffering of that our woman, our mother, Mama Esther, the problem go there. And they can wait at the call from abroad because they say somebody like this they live for her.
Yeah, that compound. No, mo gbé na rire. Yes. Yes. Kakabo.
Social media. No, Facebook, Susie. No, social media. time.
At all.
Social media na me wa me ne ni si bo we.
Kakabo.
E de na ya yoro we to we le. O ma ka me.
Ibi lele do ni ma bidi yan wi yan wa bun.
This social media make me be more intelligent. It make me get more wisdom again.
Benete go agbe mi kakabo na we gbe to sun agbe mi.
If it make you even though that the time when me drop battle that is 1992.
Ni ogwo wa sikedi yan o. O ime 84.
You understand me? That 92 said people when they born that time when we finish secondary school, many of them don't do Europe, they don't stay for self. You understand me? So this social media educate me in a good way.
Yes.
It make me wise. It make me think intelligent more. It make me know more about things inside.
Hey! See my love, oh, Zaze. Ugwari owo ka we fo that for me, hello, Bill. Happy New Year.
You understand me? So that is it. And I'm so very happy for that our mother, Mama Esther. God will keep you alive today, madam. You know, say you don't suffer, follow your husband, and you want to make your children see you again.
Yes.
Like me come, we give you that. Not be your juju, not be anybody, not be into one. You get one thing when I experienced when I go Nigeria 2015. That's why when Mama did she said something for Olia Market. You get one mad woman whether they call Edese. He don't say that's why when they talk so. The time last time when I said that woman rich, it was 93. That was the last time when I said that woman rich. When I say what will happen, 2015 when I go Nigeria, I can't see that woman again. Edese. They call old. Mad woman is still there. Like I say, Kijo, I saw.
Salo Boaro.
Over name of one of ye. Over no so the Jack here. I never only putting of the one only a market. Looking back only a market. Almost to a death. Holding at the Arab boom. 2015 over the Benin 1993. If I didn't get there where Osaluba where Mama is full, no matter any temptation of your pass through or when it's full.
At all.
You understand? So, on Nikki, here when it's been on the social media and been now, a wrong information, you react to a go better at the end. Osaluba, you will do soft footage or have it to go to me or fully. We have a large platform here.
Yes. Neno komezeti eti no bamajo. Yes. Yes.
1987 for Nigeria, but that's not even get a room with this brother. Big, I can't buy my first daughter. I can't travel. I can't sit to another one again for abroad again. But the day we come and wake up to say, maybe you not go work. Last of leave now because where there is life,
there is hope.
But the only thing that they appreciate today, this man, a bad person, you know the.
Yes. Man. We be sunu na be sunu ni ara we there na we sunu. Abi battery me no it charge bi.
So that's all. It's good to put all the whole cost, all the cost, where of the cost is the family of the man, the cost is the only just say that they are wife. Even our papa still call Monica or a person we call our sister Monica. You don't say that woman a bad person. You talk about it to the woman and your wife.
Okay.
It's to show that Mama Esther is legal foundation. Anything.
Yes.
You understand? It is good to put. Not be saying that you pay for husband house or you don't pay for man. You will demand CD all the way because you don't put money for your hand. Before you just go let me see any temptation, you just go for another man. When I see our sister now, and that's about it, na pini mouth. But That is it. Don't get to Obana go any or say no keep it.
Yes.
Obi o kesi. Na small pikin. That is the
Eta.
good big person. Big person wo kesi. Actually no why see. If you useless pikin, that's your bone. Even though you go old, you don't take your DNA. Bad na bad.
Yes, so.
That woman wey dey responsible. That he make her when she keep herself up to date. I wear a banana and your cat and you know the chop another thing, but do it at the right time.
Yes.
Don't say because I want to enjoy myself. I not fit keep myself.
Yet it be more. Pepper there. No time for your boyfriend.
They go the cut out they go. Say hey, you wanna know over with them. Women they should not be let them talk for public because why? So women you're the only Italy. You don't friend man with this 7.
Wait till be 7 market egg.
We want to look at the 7 we country up.
Only kerek na and what an you kerek be 7.
You understand?
Amanakana egg 5 years be wepo be na kana o.
You understand? Me when they talk so, and they use my apart from the father of my children, nobody go come out for the whole space.
Dem no even je phone me off na ni na re message re na dem no je phone off.
You understand? He said, "Ekpeno we yanye ni ma, we gbebo pale we na na re tu we kele me nwa. We no gara we po so 2 years in Nigeria, we ya fedo pale in Nigeria. E ni ma de dafa, e be to atu eba for.
Tell me down na.
Ayana here. You understand me? I beg me with the responsible. You understand me? Okay, like those videos when our sisters still do. Like all those small girls we did for Germany. Sometimes they will just say government connect their picking. Government not just carry they connect your picking for your heart.
At all.
You understand? Because you know what I'm talking about, we are at that journal. See this our mother now, she's so good example because why she keep herself.
Yes.
Our daddy not come out now, they not just say because she go flat like the driver. No, nothing like that. For her life. You understand me?
Yes.
Okay, those small children now. That one where they look for trauma, what do they call it?
Tramadol.
Tramadol. And a person paracetamol, they look everything they go. When they go to follow man sleep. At the end when you they do the something, your baby they cry. Your baby they cry. You they tell her say make you do and say your life not going to make you say again. They know they see the end of that thing. If you really know what is called that thing, if you know, it's just a form. That's not the way you take the catch form. At that time when you do, you were now when you go, you know the way your life goes on. And so you be those kind of type where it be like say anything on that trouser that you did because different people they will the process. So
yes,
okay, women, you know, be say you be small, you be woman, say they not do anything on that trouser. You be like say that they possess. Anything of little bit of an almost to you way. You understand me? So they go just inside their blood. We are going to do our work with them. We are going to work with them. All about it, I'm going to let them say any don't know, so we are this. Or we okay, now because of a name I did the follower. So we say that 5 boy like some people don't get this.
At all.
Anything I see, if they offer the you will give her. Or what you are, or if I will not actually do like one of my I beg with the respect ourselves. Because you don't say, for example, that they will say social media, people when they do social media, they not get work. See and people will not get work, see the kind of work that they do now. They give testimony for people life.
Yes.
Because if not be this Facebook now, maybe this our mama like we just 666, yearly we go just
Like
that. If not be social media, we
Sister Vivian Abotaje.
we're not going to say this kind of thing they exist at all.
At all.
Do you understand?
Oh,
So,
Papa
for example,
Jesus.
say me, when they social media, so they talk so. He's supposed to say that time we are offended with the father of my children. Say, I don't do one thing. The father of my children, they watch mama boy, where? They watch her, where? He's supposed to say, I don't do one thing when he pass for where he did. As I they use me and sometimes to use, I think, make example for mama boy. If for them, all mama boy say, oh, if you want to have our our sister connection, God just now say, he could. Remember the work, woman will say the supporter, very, very important.
Yes,
and the truth. What we say, other from an area, when they say somebody like that, that's with life for 5 days. mama me can't give it.
Yes.
No. If I see something I don't buy, you'll be like say I dey sick. But the only thing I want to do as a month, I go limit am. If I dey buy three different things in a month, I want to buy 2. Sometimes the day I no go see that. That is a mother for you. Because my children have to buy also. But you know me say because I don't get grown up children, I cannot take care of myself. Email morning, I dey work 24 hours. Even when I take with the father of my children, I make away Christmas. When Christmas come for Spain, it not happen for where I did not know for my door because why? Now the father of my children, he lose the job, no problem. But me they work 24 hours. I still they work at home. You understand? Because if 2 person they work, the secret.
You know they leak. I leak, eh?
Now only what of them way. What of them way me say, woman with the sleep, me ma go break. If man not break,
but I'm working and we go.
Ma for Amurupa. Ma for what do they call it? Ma for ma for everything. No, don't put all your responsibility on man's shoulder. No, it's very bad. You need to support also. You understand?
Yes.
As a woman. That's what they talk and say, I let them pay.
But your insurance.
So that insurance that you go do one for your house, say extra. Say if plan A no work, plan B
Go work.
You understand? That make up with the creator. You get me? So only if we running. So all thanks to our good social media presenters. All thanks to them, especially
Mario Bobo too.
today, Monica Lobo.
Second DJ boy.
Enjoy that your program. What kind of mama?
You wait second DJ boy.
So you boy na my personal person. If I go to pray for mama boy, I say that's because say mama boy. He might be able to buy where I go to buy soup for mother and say.
When you are Hederio, when you are Mudia Hederio, problem is when you are Mudia.
Mama boy, we are sisters. We are for the same feeling. Mama boy is my sister. Boy, a lot of people don't know. Really joke about Mama boy is my sister.
We're seeing
we are from the same village and Mama boy is my sister. You understand me? So me and Mama boy will not feel quarrel.
at all.
So now nobody will not feel quarrel. More than not misunderstand.
But if you quarrel, no go social media. You know they come here.
Yeah, well, because what you do for you, if what you do and what you do big body, now the attitude about this.
We go do all like this.
Hey. You understand? So now be that one. I beg, maybe they keep ourselves all times to that video presenter, Mama Boy, Lolo, Monica, Mommy, Toshiko, Mama, Jamie, all of you guys that present something I like. But if I be your show, even though I be your followers, if not where I look and say what you they present, I don't like her. Instead of me to comment something to insult you, I better take my back.
Nah, so yeah, call it
If I like this thing you do, I will just sit down. I will really enjoy that. You understand me? Yeah. So now, social media make me have a lot of sense. It makes me see many things. Mama, I don't be smart again. But the special grace of God is 4 more 5. Now I'm almost close to 50. God don't tell us say that I say our time will come, we'll come see the touch for social media. All thanks to God. Yes, I know when they said can't let you be a wicked new bring up the only market. But God, when choose me say I not go there among of them. He don't do a say not be today to one. You understand me? So now if you that mama.
We'll see.
All that also God bless you.
We'll see,
and I still say this any money. They say don't go look for that our mama. Everything will be in order. You understand? Maybe the woman physical in the evening or in not come. But at least finance everything everything still come out with happiness and glory. You understand me? So mama, thank you. If there is any other thing again, I still stay come back.
Okay, ma.
Thank you, mama. God bless you. One of my people,
One love. One love, yeah, you want one love. So when you attack, I see don't we run, we go on. I know you will big because Emiya is every man a fine man. Oyeko ya reo boka ne mose la one. Maybe between now till 3 months now when our mommy come and mommy Esther. Una go know am again. Eya take care wa. Eya te ranu ha. But today unko Emiya okwech. yana wa kwenche just like that you boy quench obi re yare wo kan la wane ka we wan oti ekwe mai mu gwala na his wife owo kan no there is nothing you people can do about it okwo ni ma omo do be o ma bie no pia we omu gojo hu you see so he must collect the wife back even because of the children even though he not want before because of the children he must collect the wife. So make anybody not just come mad for social media insult that man. If you insult that man, that woman, God will punish you because you not there among of the family. Because that man, he not be una mate. He even see no some of una papa. So not be everything we go just the open mouth put you wah 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 wah. So I beg you, una good evening. That's so we talk and reach. If anybody get what you want to talk, make it talk because we want enter class. Edi ma what I say. Abe sister ni aje tramadol vandalize. Tramadol vandalize wa. Ade abe wa ire. Edo be abere ni a. Orun pa no me wa so pa o we ni la oni egui o. O we like abi ko ni jukpo na. Ni jinwinu kpo na. Iya ga jebe so gwa jebe afifi lele kia pa. What's here? Na we brother adegu we me bu sun igba bi ko ni. We ga gi yin e gi tore no no we honi. We ma mu na bu be na we yin na. Indi go kwa egba we 300. La wo go. Ngwana wa ran ajo no na. Oni masu wo kan but. Don't know that. Egba mi ansari enu. Egba mi ansari enu gbe mi re enu because gele gbe very oni mi no pa ma dino. Oh, one of the be enya for 20 minutes. O ma say, Gaka woje, or ye 5 minutes ya romance. Waya kiss wa kiss wa onwe. Ru da pe afi enwe onwe. Ani maswe. Amagiri ame la lo ga ije, oje wana wa la lo e. Odori tramadol, oje 3 ya wa si buwe jagbon. Oje buwe jagbon. Oni we there na ye nesi jacket esin okuo ni kina wa be mi se fo ye regbi oye tek we ya na etu battery awo no wi o ga wi ne e life ye giri made the same ti be made the same because I agbon were not be life you come I don't know the tribe who na be small time now they go say they be Bini people. They go say na Bini o. Because Egbo abi o be do zedo, e go talk to Bini. Wa mu bi e do ni ri agweze na don spoil Bini name. Spoil Bini name tire. I go my sister Susie, I like it so. I know me I no fit friend man one no fit kiss. I like it so. I like it well ije. Wa te me piti iya ya wa we bus stop o aka wa se kenu jo wari ejo oga oni o na wa mu gbegbe ni wari e lati me wari e isawe bole o ama bole gari if you know we no ka go te me ka kobe you understand say the word this computer okay wait you understand like that so I like it, but I don't like that side where the man go the because me I like man with the kiss. Now it be my problem. So maybe sonny me or kono egbe me or son egba ma son no man we munu jo do mujo munu ije me wure o ya wa Ani obo han Ani obokan. And give him another one. Give him another one join her. Ne no boko pe wa ge imi ne kon e. Wa ge imi ne kon e. Inu egbe ala lo se be bu mi. Oni obi okan. Inu egbe ki ala lo se be bu mi. Okay, my friend Susie, you like kissing? You like kissing, eh? You understand? And we know that. That guy now. A kiss you up there, I go cook, I damn you. A kiss you, a kiss you. Eh? Yari. A kiss you, a kiss you. Adame ma wo me ko de kiss ya bo me jo be kiss you, a kiss you. Oko, romance, Adame ma ume kode romance ya bo me jobe romance. Na case we be one. Gbe on dogwe. La lomo o adame o. Adame ma ume kose uwe na la lo ya bo we jobe romance laluwe o laluwe. Why ho de be one? I will do that. There we put worry. Why in Nigeria? Oh, we are going to cocoa. Oh, ja, bobo. Oh, my, where they lab, like Ipiano Mokoni boom, one of the Romania. Uzola non a levae, Uzola papa, and I the Uzola, and not by the Uzola. Hello, ma.
Hello, Mama.
Eh?
You know where Giligota? Mama, everybody for understand. Only is if man and woman get misunderstanding, say the woman want come off. Man go say, give me my children.
Yes.
They can take care of myself, especially me we get money away. Go say if my children follow you, you know go see money to take care of them.
Oh, what the men are if you're more power, yeah, cool.
Understand? Maybe 5 years ago for Nigeria, when we go to Nigeria, they say 25 years or 20 years ago for Africa. For Nigeria, even some places now said, if woman and man, husband and wife get misunderstanding, men will say, give me my children, you can go. That is not my business. My children is for me. It will carry on. Some men, they know children pass woman.
They not agree. Oh, what the men are. I have more power. Come back by what away by if we be over.
I'm sorry if I say this, and I have to say it because now what did they come for this abroad? And when I know say many when they do that kind of thing for this abroad, most of them they with if their mama, their father not they together again, and their father they raised them. You understand? Yes. But then now leave their children for women alone, make they chill. Why they be like that? Why it be say this abroad? So. Single mother. Why they not the single father? I mean not the man where they take care of children, then they declare single father. Why if this and also women they declare single mother, man not they declare single father? Why? Why we not learn for waiting our mama and our papa they do? Because man and woman, I believe in a prayer for man and woman they marry say they use black and they know each other, now white and they will live each other.
Yes.
And that prayer we pray. Okay, but it's not the come say the marriage not come work. Okay, no problem. But far back years ago, I know many people like me are not like that too. My mama passed it together till my papa died. You understand? But I managed to say my father get polygamy also. But me, I not raised for outside. Mama not leave my papa. You understand? But why it come be say this abroad? Many men they where it be like say
Mona share this video. Subscribe to Ilele Top Show, please. Oh, my sweet Edo people. My sweet Ilele Top Show. Subscribe to YouTube.
They pay their school fees, do everything. Why you can't be saying if they call this abroad, immediately they impregnate any woman. They don't give the woman belly. They don't do everything. They go just wrong. We all say this something not even concern them at all. Why they be like that? They don't go even care say the children will say this but then I me get out. So go if you humiliate that girl, go if they tease the girl. I don't know if I just look and say, why they be like that? It's no good. It's not good at all. Because I see many women that fine. They go leave their husband go where yeah, I'm baby. They go say, make the ever beg your husband make they say his children.
Yes.
No matter anything where that woman will commit for that, I say they drive her. He may go if carry the children go collect her for your hand. That's so before for Africa. But who come this our men say if you get Europe, you with women quarrel. Don't leave the responsibility for the women alone. Not Pakai. Because when after that this incident will happen for why are you asking me? If I'm married, do you want to marry me? Don't ask me that silly question. Okay? Don't ask me. If I'm not a married woman, are you married? I'm a married woman. Confirm. I'm a married woman. So why are you asking? Do you want to come and marry me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm wedding. Don't talk now. You understand? So why it can't be like that? Because if they told them, the men too say, now men they take care of the children, women they always they support, una go the verse. Una go the verse. It no good there, it no good. Even though no matter anything, say you know, if that's small money you still get, at least every day you they eat. Still remember, I said that baby go see eat. Still remember. Not the way say me that get you train that pikin alone. They say children where to pick it, where to people they train.
It's hard.
Easy. Talk less on say one person on the train because the reason why I talk this say so, according to the audio when that guy talk. When they don't say that the guy tell us say they can share the this thing, that is the Yoruba guy. He says sometimes the guy go they look for 5 euro where want to buy papas for a picking. He said the boy no if he asked the boy where call the friend and the boyfriend, he said the boyfriend go the face. That really touched me. Because normally not be the boyfriend. I don't say if you get boyfriend we're responsible.
Yes.
He go they help you. That one are normal. That is if he they friend down. Because all those one what they do, whether they look for tramadol, that one not be friendly.
That one not be friendly. You go no, I beg.
You understand? Me, if I friend any man, if I look and say this man, every time when he drink, now he they want to make you sleep with me, I go quit that relationship.
Well.
Maybe because I not the drink like us. No. I don't do that. Because I believe say anything what you do with your boyfriend, like happiness. All those kiri go knock me, say tomorrow not day. No knock me. I beg. Live my life, make it be the same. Not use my life, don't say tomorrow not day because tomorrow is still day for me.
Yes, sir.
Don't look for Samadon and Pesley and conflict with me. I don't need that. I don't need it. No, now what I want now, I just want a decent man because they are not the drink, I not the smoke.
Yes.
You understand? Because the reason when me ask this is so a lot of women they look at one story one way I hear. This girl don't born for Jamie, Mama, did you know say one boy pregnant this girl said they will a whole lot from Italy to a whole lot or something like that. The girl come up from Belgium. The boy go even they beat the woman put and all the stress with the woman can't get with Pele. One day this girl if he cough or something like that, after the girl don't reach them, he got the cough blood.
Ew.
The girl the cough blood. It never tell you, let me say about 3 or 4 months here, that's where it could reach. Then the girl can't go hospital. After the girl get BP already. When the girl can't go hospital, and doctor come to her, she get Bele, she don't already, the Bele don't pick, don't they go 8 months to 9 months first. After they come to the girl test now, they come see and say the girl gets kidney problem and be kidney for Bele.
Jesus Christ.
You understand? After everything, they come operate, she come there for coma, they said the picture can't give me, I can't they cry. They come operate and carry the baby come. Along after 1 week or 2 weeks, then the person come say tell me back, say the girl don't do okay, she don't come back from coma. I was really happy. But because of, do you know that because of high blood pressure, you can have kidney problem from there? Oh yes. Because if your blood so fast, if it do work, it can destroy your organ. It can destroy it. If you pick a line, ask your doctor. Ask it. Because now force that they do. Because the girl not the controller.
Yes.
The boy they stress her journal, they beat her the journal, how she get Bele. You understand? You might be so told me people in from 10 years, on our twist again, one hospital and went tested on a kidney problem.
Ew.
Because of what you with that settled to.
Hi.
Eh?
No, wow.
It's very bad. The way some men are treating with the women is very, very bad. I not say with the women, majority of us, we don't get character.
I
know. Because they say,
wale lutame nye akokere sedo.
The money una lilima, if you look our character, or where Ugawa, Esa ya
ọwọ́ àlele fẹ́ wọ́n máa àlele kò wọ́n máa ẹ̀ ògà máa ṣàyà gbùfẹ́ máa rí ata ẹ̀ àlele fẹ́ wọ́n máa ẹ̀ ògà máa ṣàyà gbùfẹ́.
But it no good men they look that way. Because man, you with that do that kind of thing. That boy na your blood, that pikin na your blood. Now when he come out for a side where you put for that girl body, now if that girl head carry, where you build that way, come to pikin. As far as concerned, say you climb that girl chest.
Yes.
The girl come down and you know if you take care of that. You know that is your conscience not the beat you the journal say what you they do so no good.
Thank you. God go bless you. Don't subscribe for my YouTube. God go bless you, my love.
Okay, don't imagine that girl will take that pikin with the cry. Now you okay.
Yes.
She may fed one for Africa. She may fed to everything. Let's say carry belly at the age of 12 years. He did. Maybe he can't enter abroad. You know if you guys don't know anything. Because it's not best way get normal free. You know who got us okay like one that way the book is the powder, then I will pick it die for France.
Oni no le Morocco ni wasi.
That baby where that girl love that baby is so recipe.
Mo se gbe o.
You understand? Because that baby really pay me, although I don't know them, you understand? It be possible say the baby don't they sick because of his mama had not the rich ground. That make her way not carry her go hospital, make it go to test. Maybe only get her for paracetamol. No matter the medication finish, the cold still start again. You do it like that every time. Go to doctor immediately. If you don't have small picking, go there. Then you go to test.
Yes.
Very, very important before it's too late. You understand? Me, I'm not the take medicine 3 times. If I just take one time, you know, yeah, oh yeah, I don't wish we don't today. No. You understand? So I beg, may we they get conscious for each other because we are a human. We don't get it. Even though we call it from today to tomorrow, we are still one.
Yes, so.
Because that pikin this coffee go tomorrow, come be the person who will rescue you for fun.
Kakabo.
You know good. Okay, what the plan now, father, you impregnate a woman, you don't even know that child. You leave the child for that woman alone to take care of that child. You go marry another one for future. What about you know when you come, but if you don't go, 2 of them don't go, they still go marry for another place where you know some those children. Here where now, my mother when he have you won't never take no renemudia. Those children when you brought for them, if you go school for America, if you go school for UK, if you go school for another country, you understand? They feel meet, they feel come marry.
The name of the YouTube na Ilele Do Talk Show.
You understand?
Ilele Oredo Talk Show.
After you go know say now you bought the 2 of them.
Good evening, sir. Zion, good evening.
What do you go talk? For him, mama, you understand? Either praise wow, ama praise wow.
Mona, help me write Ilele Do Talk Show for here. Make people look the name, take subscribe, I beg. People they ask the name.
Ilele Do Talk Show, since all the other platform where now make it look up for your work. You use that to go.
He did them.
Understand? Me click am, we not click it, we not worry, we go to come now. Also, I may una no, I will dog, but I will do una. Open it to tata mama boy, he down. Thank you, my darling sister. Just click and go from small, you will see her for the down. You understand? Even though I continue, why you get me, why you understand? Because they read they tell me say many children they wake up they carry. The government they carry every time you blame me say, hey no more no give ne come more give. You understand? And me want use opportunity to take up my own. You could not first so. Any man will not take care of the children. You know say not they take get documents for court way they go report out to police.
Simple. Before they come collect the children from you, eh?
Report out to police say that you know they take care of you don't know if you want to talk. They go say okay no problem. They go call now. Drop the telephone number. Thank God now many countries now you they take documents they take a SIM card.
Yes.
They go call now. They go anytime they go send a paper. You with a go court. If God just say okay they happy they go they do play ball they go they do they go not take and I lock. But I don't say for court matter now lie. Even though they tell us say make it take care. If you not take care of he wrong. Anytime when you still go take court again go to na 5 years that money they will pay for that children one time. Or the 5,000 euro, okay, 7,000. Who am I to swear the court? Everyone will take care of it.
Yes.
Any man when you don't say get documents, he give you better. You know they take care of that pikin. Now you go on a black hole, report out to police immediately. Or report out straight. Don't get messy for that because I'm young with them.
Yes.
money and not take care of her. This small girl will grow or small boy will go tomorrow. Waba go fear come work. Over like you say where we can win it.
Yes, Kakabo.
See just say where we bella we are fear come where omomo or fear come where and then waba they go by with pillory or you are fear come where or we merely put your honor out here because we need just say where
yes.
Because if you can hear the intelligence in the I know we are here we see here
yes. Kakabo.
It's 2020. If you anybody close to me, he tell me say your husband not take care of the pikin, attack your husband, he get documents. If he call report to me, I tell him say make he go report to police. Or no you be caught, no you be caught CBC. Or when you only I caught with DNA. Here I be with DNA no go no you get DNA be high times 2. If you know I be fair. Or the actually other dog is a wonder the wicked constitution.
Yes.
I got no one guy. So I pay no money. Or too much sick with that. Now if you can't do with what you drink.
Yeah, my can't watch you drink. I do go walk when you have to keep watching. I want to know when I get tramadol. We only my only will watch children.
Because of the mistake of the both the two person do. Okay, imagine when I get tramadol, I'll be a Kenya. I want you come on the other yard and I'm with your dad here. According to that, his friend that will go to another video now. He said the boy is bitter. He said the boy is bitter because said the boy na mama. They said the boy na married to a gay woman. He gay woman because the friend they said the boy is at the shopper. And the woman called the boy and say make him leave your husband for her. So now he tell his friend, when his friend call and say they record us. After they don't record that, the other his friend tell her say now the care. Now he still tell her say make it post son, make it wife for here. Say it the fucking husband.
Beggar, Betty Mumu Gana, you true poster.
Baba. My dear, my go come out, they go just like say, see, they go like that for stable because they be men, they're not the shame.
They're not the shame.
If you come, you write banana. 2. Don't finish. Don't finish.
You don't finish.
I don't say the best that where you know say you get the key.
Yeah.
Now you they lose your life for we are going to banana like we are make here. Oh you know no you is what.
Kakabo.
You understand? You know put our beg, maybe they respect ourselves. You understand? When they talk now, when they use after they advice, when way you come, we not get that sense, and so they did the look. Not be me. Somebody like me, I don't know if for social media. If I don't use that piece, I will put that first on my pants. Or we may not like that. Because they make me measure, we not so. And here I'm talk. You understand? I beg my brother, I beg. If you like pregnant woman, no gonna go carry una responsibility or else when they give una to police or court paper to una, they gonna go carry una responsibility. Even though you dey receive 200 in a month, remember say that pikin go chop. If na 50 euro you say, give the woman, go manage am. If you talk and come outside, go where I would teach. 50 euro book your the day you go money gari right. That they don't not useless. Next I want money I order. Then tomorrow you go one. With that woman contract that change the children for you.
Yes.
Tomorrow you say I'm a father.
Yes. I work for video.
You are a father. If you are a man, I give you any child. You not contribute to. If that pikin grow, I will tell her say that me do one. If I see opportunity, I will destroy your life. I will spoil your name. Say you not do anything because you know what to do. I will tell that pikin, make you know say you don't be mad, you carry preach, but you not be father. Oh yes. So only here, which can that one is useless question. That one is useless this thing. That they make up because that make that small baby lose her life that day.
Yes.
That make this thing not going to take from my daughter to kick off. That make her because as they talk so I know they like her because I know they like truth. But I know they like truth. And you don't concern anything about that feed out our children. My children don't go social media. Me myself, I take care of my children alone by myself because I'm a strong and I'm a responsible mother. I'm proud of myself. All reconcile. I need to train my daughter for university. Papa they abroad. The one with them with me now, we see the trainer. Because why? I love my children where I don't see because of trauma. We are caught us in that not day tomorrow.
Yes.
Our war.
Tramadol, Baba, God forbid.
Tramadol, Piriati, Jonah.
Now only Piriati. If I drink
I don't say they're not a year, now they try. I tell Talker, any live video presenter, you guys are trying. You cannot expect anybody to praise you or to pray for you.
Yes.
Now, God, when you know, say the thing where you present is not true.
Yes.
Now, only that God, not everybody.
Yes.
Now, only that one, I mean, you understand. Or what I look at, made no man. Or I like for anything, made no more.
At all, some made no more.
Or I like for if human being give you crown, he could collect that for your head. He could collect your head. If any human being give you crown, he could collect your head. But if God crown you, nobody can take that crown from you. That is one thing, you understand. Thank you, everybody. One love, good night. I feel not calling you, Mama Boy. Thank you very much, Mama. And we are new here. We pray to Almighty God. We are going to move forward. They say, Mama, so did they pray to Almighty God. Now, so after God, I have when I know me, I'm not
okay. Why we say okay no fija ke no ma fija why we say my type one tomorrow na class we don't talk tomorrow na edo class ABDAFEGEE kele mini o P R C T U V W Z wa po boni je boy ABDAFEGEE kele mini o P R C T U V W Z. Tomorrow na Edo class. I'll be right on today say we'll do Edo class, but time don't go. Good night, my love. Sister Vivian. Hello?
Mommy, come on, me.
Yoje. Yoje o double.
Mama
Susie.
It will not carry on buying Larry. Oh, warrior,
no give you tramadol. Roba nyanga kwa. No give you tramadol. La gogo mfuare. When you jam over so one would take bomb or doggy bomb se bagmo. When I get tramadol, wait on him with it. All right, we go quite me. Just tire. On your right.
Oh, yeah, we back. Oh, mommy.
Where's the cacaboje there? Where's it?
Where the hell are you up to?
Now what in here, Don Zion? Now where you they live? Now you can't find for here. Now where you they live? Susie. Who on Susie mo? Who on moje la lagbo asona? Wo una neke ne Susie live dai kama when we agba ogo mu. De Susie kama when we agba ogo wo mo no bia vi okoa. O na gwa le bia Susie they live. Agwa wa kon wa ri opinion re wa na me de kene Susie stage. O do answer we ban. O jaje la answer we ne ba wa agban no. Atema gbon wa ne Susie e ke no stage. O gwa wa stage.
What you need will stick more than the hell.
Okpiano. Yoje wese. So no when matade isin. Ogie mama please. Atema gbon no where Susie where are you living? Where do you live? Oh live there wawe wari awe ban uge ye egire la de tori la call mo bogbo enesi urere o kenu jo gweri eni megu wero So when you matter de ban atane wala I be kana abe muna no de let me they use tramadol they vandalize una. I beg, I take God beg una. Mona no they let me they use tramadol they vandalize una beg. I beg una in the name of God. So that one can't end for them. So we don't close for today. Tomorrow na class, I don't get any topic when I want to come out tomorrow. When I just come out, na question and answer. Question, answer, question, answer, question, answer. If you let do no ga, you trust to what? If not alubara, we do wagita. If not we do wagita. If not scissors, we do wagita. Maite 1, 2, 3 to 50 we do. Emma here wakwe. So matter for Erima Chief Kakud Bensi, Erima, my sweet daddy, my poporipo daddy. La go baba, osawese, abujari ene, everywhere, mamu wela jami social media o, oge no mae no, oge no mama. Akpomo salopo agwe, umate veta gino obokanweni. Tuwe ya fefefe okoni awe mo no. Osalopo awe na ekenona rie la dianu miyo baba na hu. Uwe mione ogogo mahiagije osawese saate bawe baba bene eko we ya geleri oto nuwere gbe yari obukan we lawa salopo ade bawe eko no salopo ari enu ni azebo so yimi we ri oto yeye osa benu we gbe oku na ni fe we gbe sakwa ni uka mo ene beto we gbe sakwa ruda erun ne bokan nanu ebi nu na oga bugbe be so kwa erun imo bugbe e baba ugara bonu ga miya yae wa miya yae uja agbegbe keno tayo no ko keno tayo no ma jabi mahia obuwe mayakin ru da bosie amenoro yo we na ba gbebu ko gbo adego gi jeberi oni ne emowo maropa iwe mayakin keno tayo se keno matayo se iwe mayakin obona ya gbo yo ma abe ya si ekegbe baba la o ege emini mamula jana egeze de mu wo yeye ru da ekene emi akin ama erioje wahia wa wese baba salobo adebawe okin obie wahia ri biese wahia wa bidam yo wahia wa kin obie o magi dole me vie me beni Jesu Christ no me fun wa ni comment jo keni be gi ma baba luku mi an luku juniro wahia gama keno be comment jo wahia gama wala o wa subscribe to Ileledo Talk Show orun we ba ni gbon ede ba Ilele Oredo Talk Show. Wagume subscribe to my YouTube. Ni mabe ya awo gi mabe YouTube na. Mabe awo be YouTube ba be do ariri ma. E bo ye be do ati egbido. Na ye gbi ni gbido re YouTube o wagima ya gbido. You understand? So wala wagume be subscribe because mama na me 1000 my setting aje e YouTube. So wa be rijo bon edede YouTube edede live. Wala wa be rijo bon oti wa wala wa ga be subscribe we be ka mo si wa. Never jebe game why we wala wagwe mama we subscribe wala wo wagwe subscribe why I say wakin ogwe wa baby nege kai why ama ciao ciao love you